anyway, thank you for clicking on this video and coming back if you are a returning subscriber, and just clicking on this video overall. Right now I'm doing some finger coils and they're coming out pretty good. I do have a video of how I washed my hair before this. This is freshly dried hair. Now I'm just basically using 2 different products to get these finger coils, and once they dry I'll be taking them out. Those are the only 2 products that I'm using to do this look. So hopefully you guys can stay along with me and see how I get these finger coils. My hair is maybe about like 70%, 85% dry. So I'm basically doing these finger coils on my hair like this. Hopefully my camera autofocuses so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I'm just taking small sections of my hair and just finger coiling them. Add some of that butter. And then the cream. And I'm just going to twist it around.
There's certain things you just have no control over, right?
Really? Like what?
Like love.
Love. You know, what do you know about love?
certain things you just have no control over, all right?
Really? Like what?
Like love.
Love. You know, what do you know about love?
Hair, the front of my hair doesn't really finger coil that well, just because I usually anytime I do, I guess, leave out or like styles, I usually flatten the top of my hair a lot, so whatever. But anyway, so I finger coiled it though, so hopefully the front comes out okay. I think it should. It'll just be a little bit looser. I'm just gonna sit around and let this dry. Pretty sure the back is kind of dry. Y'all can see that, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait around for this to probably dry, air dry. So I'm not gonna really put anything on my head just because I don't want to mess up anything. So I'm just gonna be around the house chilling and let this air dry, and I'll probably be back in the morning to uncoil it, if that makes sense. Yeah, so this is it right now. So yeah, probably see y'all tomorrow.
There's certain things you just have no control over, all right?
Really? Like what?
Like love.
Love. You know, what do you know about love?
Finally finished my hair. I put it half up, half, well, not half up, half down. I put it up into like this ponytail, and the curls, honey, they are popping. Yes, please comment down below if you do try this style. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll see you in my next video.